Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the phone safe to update. Charge to at least 50% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail. Make sure you free up 4 GB of space and back up photos and contacts. That prevents data loss if an install needs a reset. Next, go to Settings, right arrow About Phone, and note the model and current build so you confirm the correct update path. Once done, proceed to Settings, right arrow Software Update to check for available packages. You tap Download and Install when the update appears. The phone will fetch the OTA package and verify it. While downloading and then installing, stay on Wi-Fi and keep the device plugged in to prevent interruption. The installer will verify the package and may take 20-60 minutes depending on size. The device will automatically reboot into recovery to apply files. Let it finish and optimize apps on first boot. If the update stalls, cancel, reboot, and retry the download. You finish by checking Settings, right arrow About Phone to confirm the new Android version and that apps are running normally. Make sure Google and Samsung accounts sign in. If you encounter a boot loop or update error, power off, boot into recovery mode, and wipe the cache partition to remove transient files that block startup. If problems persist, use Samsung's Smart Switch or reinstall the official firmware via a PC tool. That restores a clean system while keeping model-specific firmware integrity intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.